Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve this system of equations where we have a plus b equals 4 and ab equals 16. So to solve this, we are going to call this one equation 1 and we call this one equation 2. And if you want to solve this kind of equation, we consider from equation 1. So by considering from equation 1 where we have a plus b equals 4. Then we make b the subject of the formula as we have b equals 4 minus a, and we call this one equation 3. Then we have to substitute equation 3 into equation 2, and equation 2 says ab equals 16. That is, anywhere we see b here, we replace it with 4 minus 1, so that we have a into bracket of 4 minus a equals 16. And next we have, when we open the parentheses, a multiplied by 4, that gives us 4a minus a multiplied by a, we get a squared. Then everything equals 16. And next we have, let's take this one here and rewrite this as minus a squared plus 4a minus 16 equals 0. Next we have, suppose I divide this one by minus. So when we divide this one by minus, we get a squared, and also this one we have minus 4a. So this one becomes plus 16 equals 0. So here is a quadratic equations, so which we are going to solve it quadratically to obtain the value of a. And to do that, so let's try to let this one to be the coefficient of this a, that is a, which is equals to 1, and we have b, which is coefficient of a here, which is minus 4, and we have c, which is equals 16. So then we consider from this expression this formula, which is a equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we try to substitute, as we have this as a equals, so the value of b is minus 4. We have minus open bracket minus 4 plus or minus the square root of, so the b here is also minus 4, and we have minus 4 raised to the power of 2 minus 4 into bracket of a is 1 open bracket and c equals 16. So everything divided by 2 into bracket of 1. So if this is what we have, so we proceed and we have a equals minus multiplied by minus, that become plus, and here is plus 4 plus or minus the square root of, so this square will take care of this minus, and we have 4 square, which is equals 16 minus, so 4 we multiply 1, then we also multiply 16, everything divided by 2. And next we have a equals 4 plus or minus the square root of, so what is common between this is 16, and when we create a bracket, so we divide this one by 16, we get 1 minus, so this is 4, everything divided by 2. So here we have a equals 4 plus or minus, so we can separate this as square root of 16 multiplied by square root of, so 1 minus 4, it gives us minus 3 divided by 2. So next we have a equals 4 plus or minus, so square root of 16 gives us 4, then the square root of minus 3, it gives us I root 3, so divided by 2. So by factoring out 2 up, so the result of this becomes 2 plus or minus 2I root 3, and here is the solution to a. So to get the value of b, we recall from equation 3, which says b equals 4 minus a, and by substituting the value of a here, the result we get here is 2 minus plus of 2I root 3. So this is the value of a and the value of b. That is, when a equals to 2 plus 2I root 3, so b becomes 2 minus 2I root 3. And when a is 2 minus 2I root 3, so we have b, which is 2 plus 2I root 3. And these are the two solutions to this problem, which are complex. Thanks for watching, and if you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, Please do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.